Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is AMRINA ROSADA. Today, I'm going to compare two videos about plastic pollution. The story of plastic and breaking the plastic wave. How technology can reduce plastic pollution. I chose these videos because they discuss the same environmental issue but from different perspectives. Plastic pollution has become one of the most serious environmental problems in the world. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste are produced, and a large amount of it ends up in rivers, oceans, and natural ecosystems. As a result, plastic pollution affects wildlife, marine environments, and even human health. Throughout this comparison, I will discuss the main ideas, similarities, differences, and important messages presented in both videos. The first video, the story of plastic, mainly focus on the causes and impacts of plastic pollution. It explains how plastic production has increased dramatically since the middle of the 20th century. Plastic became popular because it is cheap, lightweight, and durable. However, these advantages have also created serious environmental problems. The videos point out that many plastic products are designed for single use, meaning they are used only once and then thrown away. One of the key points in this video is that the problem begins long before plastic becomes waste. The production of plastic requires fossil fuels such as oil and natural gas, which contribute to environmental degradation and greenhouse gas emission. The video argues that the rapid growth of plastic production is closely connected to industrial and economic systems that prioritize convenience and profit over environmental sustainability. The video also highlights the consequences of plastic waste. Large amounts of plastic enter rivers and oceans every year, where they can remain for hundreds of years without fully decomposing. Marine animals such as turtles, fish, whales, and seabirds often mistake plastic for food. As a result, they may suffer injuries, starvation, or death. Furthermore, plastic breaks down into tiny particles called microplastic, which can enter the food chain and eventually affect human health. The overall purpose of this video is to make viewers aware of the scale and seriousness of the plastic pollution crisis. In contrast, the second video, Breaking the Plastic Wave: How Technology Can Reduce Plastic Pollution, focus more on solutions rather than problems. While it acknowledges that plastic pollution is a major global challenge, it presents a more optimistic perspective by exploring ways to reduce plastic waste through innovation and cooperation. The video introduces several technological and practical solutions. For example, it discusses improvements in recycling systems that can process plastic waste more efficiently. It also mentions the development of alternative materials that can replace traditional plastic in certain products. In addition, The video emphasizes the importance of better waste management infrastructure, especially in developing countries where waste collection systems may be limited. Another important point in this video is that technology alone cannot solve the problem. Governments, business, scientists, and ordinary citizens must work together to reduce plastic pollution. Governments can create regulations that limit unnecessary plastic use. Companies can design more sustainable products, and consumers can adopt environmentally friendly habits such as reusing and recycling materials. The video suggests that a combination of innovation, policy change, and public awareness is necessary to achieve long-term solutions. Although both videos discuss plastic pollution, they differ significantly in their focus and tone. The story of plastic concentrates of explaining the origins of the problem and the damage caused by excessive plastic production and consumption. Its tone is more critical and learning because it aims to make viewers understand the severing of the issue. On the other hand, breaking the plastic wave is more solution-oriented and helpful instead of focusing mainly on the negative impacts. It highlights opportunities and strategies for creating possible change. Despite this difference, the two videos share several similarities. First, both agree that plastic pollution is a global environmental crisis that requires urgent attention. Second, both videos emphasize that human activities are the primary cause of the problem. Third, both encourage people to take responsibility for reducing plastic waste and protecting the environment. Finally, both videos stress that action is needed at individual, community, national, and international levels. In my opinion, both videos are informative and valuable because they implement each other. The story of plastic helps viewers understand why plastic pollution has become such a serious problem and the consequences it has for the planet. Meanwhile, breaking the plastic wave provides practical ideas and hope by showing that solutions are available if people are willing to work together. Watching both videos gives a more complete understanding of plastic pollution because one focuses on the causes and impact, while that other focuses on solution and future possibilities. In conclusion, plastic pollution remains one of the greatest environmental challenges facing the world today. The videos, the story of plastic and breaking the plastic wave, how technology can reduce plastic pollution, offer different but complementary perspectives on this issue. The first video highlights the causes and harmful effects of plastic pollution, while the second video presents innovative solutions and strategies for reducing plastic waste. Together, these videos remind us that plastic pollution is not only an environmental problem, but also a social and global challenge that requires cooperation, responsibility, and immediate action. By making more sustainable choices in our daily lives and supporting efforts to reduce plastic waste, we can contribute to a cleaner and healthier planet for future generation. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.